Hello viewers, this is Ilyasoft software company and I am your instructor Muhammad Ilyas. So in previous video we have covered the in previous class we covered the account head form. In today class we are doing to implement the account control form. So first you need to open the blog. So right here the code with Ilyasoft and open the blog and see what we are doing in today class. So this is the post. Here you see accounting project part 8 account controls form. So now click on this post and open. So in this tutorial we will cover all the below mentioned topics, which is how to create account control form inside in control forms folder and your project in Visual Studio, how to design control. Here is the account control form, not the account head form. So create account head method, create the account head method inside an combo box combo helper class to retrieve all the account head and fill in combo box, which is inside in the account control form. From this combo box you select the the account control head, and then the last topic is how to insert, update, delete and retrieve record from the head control tables and show inside in a data grid view. So data grid view is used for the viewing the record which is registered inside in your database for database table. The table name is head control table. So the video will be uploaded soon once the live streaming is finished. So scroll down and here you see the now open the helper folder and paste this code in combo box helper.cs class. So note is used to retrieve all account head and fill combo box. This method's working is to retrieve all the account heads and show this account head list inside in the combo box. So let's get started and see what is the main functionality of this code. But before this code we are going to implement, create and design the account control form. So let's get started. Open your project. Now open the folder where you store your project. So now go to the location where the project is stored and then same copy the path and open the Visual Studio. Once the Visual Studio is open successfully, then click on open a project or solution and paste the path here where the project is stored, and now click on the .sln file and now open. Okay, so in previous class we covered the forum account head. So open the solution explorer and right click here and create the form inside in the account form. Open the block first and see here our first step is how to create account control form inside account form folder. So right click here and create the form. FRM FRM account controls, and then click on the add button. So when the form is created successfully, then open the account head form and click on the account head form. Once if the documents outline is not shown in the side of this Visual Studio, so this is the docking for the docking form. So you need to go to the view and go to the other window and select the documents outline and then go to the account head and then copy one by one these all the controls. So first copy this panel, the panel name is panel 1, and paste inside in this account control form. But first you need to set some basic setting of this account control form. So open the select the control form and go to the properties, and first check is to the center screen, then change the name of this form, so account control, and then after that form border style, so this is the fact single. Check the live streaming is working or not in your mobile. Okay, someone says your live streaming is not working. Okay, so this is the account control form. So account control, and then remove the border, go to here and none, mark as a none, and copy and set the size of this form. Okay, once all these basic settings are complete, then go to the account head and click on the panel 1 and control and press the Ctrl C and paste inside in this form. So this is copy successfully. So after that, click the account head and here accounts control, account controls. Okay, for combo box, go to the category, FRM category, sorry, FRM stock, and copy this combo box from stock detail, means from stock form. Go to the stock form, then select the FRM stock and copy this, select category label, this combo box and this button, select and press the Ctrl C and paste, select this panel and then paste. Sorry, go to here, select this, right click and click copy and then paste. So once this set here on the top of account head title text box, then here select account head, then CMB account head, voice, check the voice, rising, okay, that's all. CMB account head, and then this is the BTN add category, so now add account head, and this text box is TXT account control. Now press the save button, select these two button and okay, set this. After that, go to the account head form and copy this panel, the top one, select this panel and copy and paste. Then go to the account head and copy this text box, search text box, copy the DGV data grid from the forum account head and paste here. Sorry. Okay, so and then copy the error provider and context menu strip and paste. Select this the DGV and go to the property, and then go scroll down and select the context menu strip property and set this context menu strip of this DGV data grid view to DGV dot grid view. Okay, so the designing is complete. So let's run and check how it's look like. So copy the name and go to the program and paste here the form name and run. So the designing is complete. Okay, so but here we want to show the list of account heads which is registered inside in our database. Let me show. open your management studio, SQL Server Management Studio. Then connect, then go to the database folder. Once is expand, then go to your database project based accounting management DB, then open the database, and here you see this is the table, here account head. So open the tables, we retrieve all the record of this account heads because here we have required the account head ID. So let's select all records. So here you see assets, liabilities, equity, revenue or income and expenses. So here these all account heads we want to show in this because each and every account control have own account head. So close the form. First is the name, account control title. Save, and then open your browser and scroll down and open this post and scroll down. So here you see public static void account head and this the method. So now open helper folder and paste this code inside and the combo box.cs class. So copy this code, and go to the helper folder and then combo helper and paste below this method, so now paste the code. So here the working of this method is same like all categories, and this and all categories methods we discussed it in a previous videos with full details. So for more details watch our previous video, that how works all category. But let's me explain this account head method. So account head method is working to fill the combo box, fill this combo box and show all the records which is inside an account head tables, and it's order by account, retrieve by head title. So this is the method. Once all the record is retrieved, then check the category. It's not the category, it's the head. Copy the name, paste and paste. Okay, so once I'll retrieve the record, then check it's null or not. If not null, then check record is retrieved or not. If retrieved and it is greater than 0, then fill one by one record inside in this data table, and then set the combo box data source is this data table, and then the display member is head title, this one, and the value member is this one. The value member is on behind and the head title is on display, show on user. So go to the account control. First we need to set some basic setting, but before basic setting we are set this first to retrieve the record. So here you call the FRM account head form. So FRM is equal to new and then account head and FRM dot show dialog. This code is also present in this video. Okay, here you see this, the code is already present in a post, and here is the helper dot combo helper dot account heads, and then pass the combo box account head, this one combo box, pass this one combo box and copy this combo box and paste on the load of this form also. So click this from here, the form, and then go to the property, event, click on event, and then click on load and paste here. And let's run again the form. So you see here all the assets, equity, expenses, liabilities, revenue are shown here. So stop the debugging and then okay. So let's set the make the form movable. So for movable, go to here, click on this and copy the code from account head form. This code is also present in this blog. If you copy the code from blog, it's working same. Just copy and paste, or if you want to copy from here, copy, doesn't matter. So now paste the code below here and import the namespace system.runtime.interop services, and now run the application. So you see here the form is moved with mouse down. Click event on panel bar. This is the panel bar, mouse down, click event, mouse down, event. Okay, go to the and click on this close button and this dot close. Close method is used for to close the current context, means this form used to close. Close method is used to close current context or form. Then minimize button, open the block and copy the minimize code which is already present in blog, this code. This code, the close button code, the minimize button code, and the panel bar mouse button and this code, these are same all over in the applications and all form of this application. So save the changes and go to the account head control and run the application. So here you see, once you click on the minimize button, the form is minimized. Once you click on the close the button, the application will be closed, the form will be closed. Okay, so let's open the blog, and now here copy the fill grid method. But before the fill grid method, we need to create the view. The view name is view v accounts control. So let's open your database and scroll down and click on the view and right click new view and add the two methods, account head and head control, and then close. Then click on the close button. So this is the, so now click on the account head control, then account head ID, then account head, and then control, and now right click and executes. So here you see you do not retrieve, doesn't show any record because this is the inner join. For more detail for joins, for how to work joins, go to my YouTube channel Ilyasoft and watch the HTML course which is already uploaded on our YouTube channels. So this is the view, right click and save name of v account controls. Set the name of this view is v underscore account controls and press the OK button. After that, go to this blog and copy this code which is used for to fill the grid. Account controls, go to the code of account controls form and paste below this panel bar, mouse down. The working of this method is The working of this method fill grid is to retrieve the record inside and the account hit control stable to retrieve and show it inside and the data grid view. So this is the query which is used for to retrieve the record from this view account controls for this view which is design which we design. So retrieve the record from this view, not from table, because view is used for to retrieve the record from two or more tables, from one or more, two or more tables on some basis on some conditions. So select head control ID, then select head control ID, which is the account head control table column, and account head ID. This is also the primary key of account head title, and this is the control title. This is the column of head control table, and this is the view. And then the next query is for the filtering. It's retrieve the record which is head title and control title base. This is the open search query. So this is used for filtering, and once the query is final, then call the select method of database layer, which is already discussed in previous videos. So please watch for how to work the select method previous videos. So once the record is retrieved, it's stored inside and this table, and then dgv.data source set the dt. So once dt is not null and some record is retrieved from database, then means record is greater than a count is greater than 0, so it means some record is present inside this data table. So then set the column size, the visibilities, and so on. So we don't want to show the head control id to user, so set the visible of this column, visibility is false, and also we do not show the head id to user. So set has a visibility is equal false, and then we want to show the head title of account control. So it said the width is 120 and the remaining side set to be this. It is the auto size mode, data grid view auto size mode, column mode is fill. This is the account control. So this is the fill grid methods. So now copy the fill grid method name and paste it on the load of the form, which is this. Pass the string dot empty and save. Okay, and then go to the blog and copy these two methods, enable and this reset components. It works same, and this is the clear form method used for to clear the content of the two controls. The one is this and the second is this. So now paste below the this method fill data grid. Okay, so enable is used for to enable the components for the updation, and reset for to okay, copy this name and set it to the name of this. Select this control, go to the property and set the name, means remove the s. Now on clear method, call the clear method, clear form, then go to the control and call on cancel reset components, which is used for to cancel the updation, and then after that click on the save button and go to the blog. For saving, the code is already uploaded, so here scroll down and copy this save code. So once the code is copied successfully, so let me explain that's how it's work. So first it check if the account head is not selected. So here see the please select the account head, then check here if the account controls title is empty or null. See please enter account control title. After the then once these all is check, after that check it's already registered and database. If registered, some record will be retrieved and stored in this exist dt. So if it is not null, then check it rows is greater than 0. If greater than 0, so it means record is already exists in the database, means it is already registered and head control tables already present. So it means is already present, so show the message near with the txt account controls already exists, show this message. If not inserted means if this is here is no record, so then call this insert query. Insert into account head control, the table is this one. This is the head control table and these are the columns. So head control table, so there is a head control table and we pass these values to these two columns, head id, this is the head id and this is the control title and this is the identity column primary key. So pass and this the value 0 and 1 values, and then this is the placeholder methods for making the string, for making the query. So 0, so on 0 we pass the selected value of account cmb account head and a value present the primary key id and display member present the text of account head title, and this is the txt control dot text. So once the query is final, then call the database layer insert method and pass the query. Once the query execute, check the result. If it is true, so it means the control is registered successfully. So show this message and fill the grid means retrieve the record and show this show inside in the data grid view and clear the txt control. Okay, if in case of it's false, so show this message please provide correct details. If not in show failed message. Okay, and message, and if in case of any issues occur means server down anything, so show this message, and so some unexpected issue is occur, please try again. So this is the saving. So let's run the application and check the record is saved or not. So this is the assets. So in assets we add the cash on hand and click on the save button, so the record is saved. Then an asset we add bank on cash, cash on the bank, cash on the bank or cash on bank, and so on. Account receivable or so on, and liability account account receivable, note receivable, and liabilities we want to add the note payable, uh, account payable, and so on. So this is the sub control of the account heads. So the save button is working correctly. Once I click on the clear, the form will reset. And if you want to add here the accounts heads more, so now enter the head and save. Once you close, the record will be shown here. So I am closing the form and go to the update button. Let's first run the application and check the search, it's working or not. Assets, okay, it's not also not configured, so go to the forum controls and first set this fill grid and pass the value txt search dot text dot trim and then run. okay, and enter here assets. So all the assets is show, liabilities, all the liabilities is show, cash on hand, bank. So it's working. Now close and go to and configure the update functionality. So save and then go to the this context menu step and click on the edit button, and then open the blog and scroll down and select this edit code. So now copy the code, see, copy the code 1 2 3. So and now copy the code and paste inside in this method, see. So in this code we have set first the uh, message box. If you want to edit, so then click on yes. If not update, so then not edit, so then click on the no button of the dialog message. So here the account header id is stored on cell 1, and the account txt control dot text name is stored in a current row on cell 2. So this is the head id and this is the control id, and this is the enable components, which is enable components work to enable the update controls. So now save and run the application and check. Once I click on the account note receivable and edit, so let's see here the asset is selects and this is the asset. So this is wrong. Go to the close and let's it's set to a 3 and then run, and then right click here and edits. So here you see it's assets, and then if you want to cancel, now click on the cancel button, right click here, this is the liability and there is the account payable. So stop and go to the form account control and click on the update button. So open the blog and go to the form control code. The update button and save buttons work samely, but just only change it's on update query, and these both have just changed only this update query. This is also the checking. Please select account head. This is first check account head text box, means if it is empty, show this message. Please enter the account control title. This check the existence inside in the current registered record. If it exists, do not register and show it is already exist. Then here see the here the table is head control, and now this is the update query, update head control, and set the head id is this, control title is this, and then head control id is this, and then pass the value one by one to this. So once the query is ready, then pass to the database layer dot insert, and once the result is true, then show the message updated successfully, otherwise show the message please provide correct detail, and once updated, then refresh the file the grid and clear the txt account control, but call here the reset controls components, reset components methods. So the form is implemented successfully. So let's run the form and check the updation functionality. So I'm going to right click here. Let's check the updation in case of you want to register some method and the expenses, and by mistake you register it's inside and the in asset. So let's cost of goods sold, cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is the sub account of expenses, means on this one, but by mistake we registered this here. So then you need to the update to this record. So then right click here on the edit, yes, and then change the head of this account and save the updates, so the head will be updated. So these are the functionality, this is the account head control form which is implemented successfully. all the functionality is working good. In case of any issue, in case of any error, comments on video or text me on my WhatsApp number. Our support team will support you on your laptop. Install the Anydays software and first get your time for our support team, and then send the Anydays ID. We will support you. We will solve the error on your system. So in case of our channel is not subscribed, so please subscribe our channel, click on the bell button, and thanks for watching.